Check the sensor array in Zone 4. The CO2 levels seem slightly low.
Confirmed. Increasing injection rate by 10 ppm.
The consistency on this run is perfect.
Agreed. The flow rate sensors are showing optimal viscosity levels.
Check the consistency levels on tank 3.
It's fluctuating slightly, but still within optimal range for the noodle production.
Moisture content is at 4.2%, protein concentration is 85%.
Looks good, matches the factory specs exactly. We can clear the batch. The flow rate dipped slightly, compensating now.
Levels are stabilizing.
Good catch.
The particle size looks consistent.
Agreed. The yield on this batch is excellent.
Everything is optimal according to the sensors.
The consistency is exactly what we need.
The airflow seems slightly low on the west side sensors.
I see that. Let's increase it by 5%.
Likes. Technicians transfer samples of the finished powder into the factory laboratory. Precision instruments measure protein concentration.
The conditioning cycle is complete.
Look here, the consistency is perfect.
The conditioned dough passes between a series of powerful precision rollers. Each roller gradually reduces the thickness.
The smooth dough sheet enters a specialized cutting machine. The blades rapidly the sheet into thin noodle strands.
This batch looks consistent with the factory specifications. Yes, the growth data aligns perfectly. I'll schedule them for collection.
Make sure that material is cleared before it hits the dispenser.
Got it. The stacking mechanism seems slightly off-center.
Batch 7 confirmed and scanned.
Temperature steady at 22 degrees.
Look at the temperature here. It's spiking.
Yes, I can.
It's correcting now. The blocks are stable.
There is another rejected sachet on line 3.
Got it. The seals look fine otherwise.
Automated cameras examine noodle shape, surface quality, seasoning placement, and overall presentation. Precision scales verify the product weight.
Ensure the product information is correct on this roll.
Verified. The alignment seems perfect now.
Each sealed noodle package travels across an automated precision weighing system. Digital scales verify the weight.
Check the throughput on line 3. We had a rejection at the 5-minute mark. The vision system caught the crushed package. Efficiency is holding steady. Check the throughput on line 3. We had a rejection at the 5-minute mark. The vision system caught the crushed package. Efficiency is holding steady. Automated printers apply product identification, quantity, batch, and shipping labels to each sealed carton. Barcode scanners verify the information immediately after printing.
Scanning pallet. Location confirmed for batch 2023B.
Roger that. Moving the next load to aisle 9.
Yes, batch 72B is confirmed. Send the automated forklift to aisle 5, docking bay 3. We need that shipment out by 1400 hours.
Make sure those are routed to Busan.
Got it. Are the Taipei crates ready yet?
Almost done wrapping them.
Okay, easy down now. That's good.
That's good.
Pallet registered. Clear for the next one.
Okay, this batch of noodles is confirmed.
Quantity matches the manifest. Send it to slot 42.
The sensor readings on Bay 4 look stable. Confirmed. Nutrient levels are optimal.
The separation rate is holding steady at 98%.
Good. Let's keep monitoring the flow rate on conveyor 2.
We're seeing a slight moisture spike here.
Adjusting the evaporator pressure now.
The protein fraction is clear. Flow rates look stable. Sensors confirm the moisture removal is complete.
Excellent. The protein is stable for long-term storage and noodle production.
The moisture levels are holding steady at 32%.
Good. The dough consistency looks uniform. We can proceed.
We're seeing consistent moisture removal, but let's increase the airflow in the third segment.
Good call. Optimize for the high protein structure.
Check the weight on line 3.
Looks consistent here, Maria.
We're seeing a slight registration shift on the edge.
Noted. Tweaking the guide rollers now.
Check batch A-123. Confirmed. Matches the digital record.
Pallets are retrieved and scanned before trucks depart for the distribution centers, where cartons are sorted until the finished noodle packs finally reach the retail shelves.
Through washing, processing, milling, and steaming, the extraordinary transformation is complete, culminating in thousands of packaged instant noodles ready for the world.